I'm sitting with the kids by the Chanukah Lecht. So they need Chanukah geld. Chanukah geld, you know, it's a many Yisroel Chanukah geld. So I made every mass from Tefillah, got a quarter. They end up a lot of money. Every mass from Tefillah you remember from this year, from last year, what you ask Hashem and Hashem gives you got a quarter. Even tefillahs that you didn't get an answer. Let's say I'm asking Hashem, I need this and this, and I'm still waiting. Yeah, it's Chanukah geld. They end up a lot of money. Marash says you're allowed to give for kids presents or this whole thing, but let's say I'm going to Eretz Yisrael, yes, every year. I wollte anyhow take my bucher and my kids. Why not? It's Yisrael, it's a mitzvah. But so I told them when they was young, if you're going to finish Shas, you're going to come with me to Eretz Yisrael. I wollte Saivi nehmen. But anyways, to take them, not every time, but wie denn soll das ertrugen? Where else should I take them? But make it an incentive. So you're going to learn a year, 2 years, 3 years, you're going to finish, you're going to end Shas, come to Eretz Yisrael. This all things you're giving anyway for your kids. Nitzos, use it for as a verdienen. We spoke a lot from this, that kids, they don't need nothing. But if you are give them, then they need. But kids, they're happy at home, happy with they make from bottles in covers from bottles. They make games and they play a whole Shabbos on the floor. They take the covers from the seltzer-buys. They make all kinds of games. But if you are give them, it's not worth it, no, yeah? It's not worth. A lot of times the Rebbe says, "Hey, Chayder, I don't know what to do." The kids say, "We have everything home. You can't make us excitement." Let's say the Rebbe says, "We're going to learn good, we're going to daven good, we're going to go on a trip." Where the trip? So the Rebbe can't say the place, because if he's going to say the place, well, okay, it's nothing. I'm going every Friday there, and so that it's a surprise. Till the last minute, okay, we're going walking on the bridge. So the kids, well, this is but Marash says you could give for the kids presents or toys, but make it incentive. So if you're gonna go sleep in time, you're gonna listen to the mommy for the first time, you're gonna follow. You're gonna listen a few days, a week, then we're gonna buy a new toy. I plan to buy this toy, but make it exciting, make it that sollen sein, huh? Sollen es verdienen. Das ist Chinuch, very, very hard. But if you let it go, you don't put an effort in them, it's hard. It's not easy to be Mechanech. It's much easier to do, not to let the kids do what they want. And what they want, give them. And they're crying and they don't want to listen. Okay, whatever, go. But später, in the long run, it's very, very, very hard. Very hard. course, you have to be a lot of mispalel every day. Tfilis. You have ehrliche Kinder. But you have to put in something. You have to, what? You have to invest in them. You have to spend time with them. And they have to listen. This is the, allebei zijn ginnig. This is the, gevaar alles, darf man wissen, that the kids has to know that a word from the parents is a word. Hoe nemen niet du goed niet? Wie zegt man das no? A word is a word. A word is a word. Mommy says yes, mommy says no, it's no, it's vermacht. No, it's again, so du. This you could teach only when they are young. Later, no, I want it. Mommy wants it like this. Mommy says no, I say yes. I say no, I see say. But if they happen as younger height, if they learn this message, the word is a word, and not everything what you want have to be. Mommy says no, Tati says no, Tati says yes, you have to do it. It's easier later. This is what the Rebbe says, that you're not allowed to a kind schluckt man nicht, how you say, a kind schluckt man nicht, not allowed to hit a kid. It's not the mean that a kid could do what they want. You have to punish a kid. You have to punish kids. You can't fragen them. It's not. You have to punish the kids. Schlug nicht kein Kinder. Aber ein Kind verfiert und will nicht folgen. You have to give him a knas. Schlugen, this is eine eigene Kas. Das ist extra Sache, nicht schlugen. Because when you hit, it's not chinnig. It's push it. Giving out your anger. But it's not the meaning kids could do what they want. They grow up not good like this. You have to be a Mechanech. So Chanukah, Marash says Chanukah, parents has to be home. I don't know what to say for you because you're going to futza. If you're going to come home late, the kid's going to sleep. If you're going to sleep, the whole Chanukah is the half hour from uns in the Menorah. Leider Menorah. 6:30. If they come home, maybe you're going to futza later again. You have to be home when the kids are up. Not when the kids going in bed. The kids are up. A half hour. Spend with them a half hour. It's enough. 45 minutes. Not too long. Every night. Sit with the menorahs, singing, schmoozing, playing dreidel, playing a game. You saw the chinuch. The old Breslev, they go in Uman. This is the best thing, to run away from home, no? It's not easy to uns in the menorahs with the kinder, no? To lighting up the menorahs with the kids. This menorah fell down, and this candle, it's especially you have a house from kids. Maar het is lebendig, ne? Ben je erheen? Is dat nog kleine kinder? Het is lebendig, no? Ik sta 3 jaar, ik sta via menorah. Die heeft de menorah fleet en de menorah fleet. It's danger, it's fire, so you have to be calm, you have to be careful. So I'm going to Oman. It's the best thing. Well, my wife should be home with the kids. No, it's not allowed. The Rebbe says to have to come to the Shoshona. In Shoshona, I'm bringing with my kids. I let the kids. You see an interesting thing by the Pshim Beichui when the Roimim, they want to kill him, so he hide himself. Then he run away to a Mara, a cave. For how much years? 13 years. He take with his son, Reb Loser. Why he take with his son? The Gezeide was of Reb Shimon, not of his wife, not of his. Because I have to be Mechanech my kid. I'm going to hide myself in a cave, and I'm going to make the Zoyer, Metekina Zoyer. I'm going up in heaven, but what is my kid? I have a kid. He took me, he took me this child. So you don't go away from home, Chanukah. You're not allowed. You have to be home. You have to be home, lighting the menorahs, not too long, a half hour. Sag mal, Menschen willen, sagt dit mir gar nicht. People, they want to do a lot, they do nothing. I don't have to make a whole yeshiva now for a few hours. A half hour, light the menorah, sing this few song. Make it interesting. Short and sweet. No, I give you a tip. Okay, you have small kids. I have Baruch Hashem, the kids, yeah, the Bucherim, the kids, they don't want to sing, you know. So I'm making from this also a interesting thing. Every kid should start any song, any tune. Take a tune from Oidi Shoma, put it on Moisi. Next shtickle. Next song, Miz Mashiach Nikas Abayas, no. Shlomo, Miz Mashiach Nikas Abayas. Okay, they think interesting songs. We start Hakol Yoidich Miz Mashiach Nikas Abayas LeDovid. Vashan. Jetzt Miz Melesoidu. Melesoidu, gaat nemen Tzavai, Miz Melesoidu, Ri Lashem, Kalures. Ich darf trachten, fallen mir alles, laufen sie mir alle. I don't have koich to this whole Zmiris. I don't have koich to the whole toilets. Okay, so you have to make it interesting. You understand? This make happy the kids. I have to give anyway for the kids something exciting thing to eat. Yeah. So I'm making all kids. They sit nice by the menorah. They got a cookie. They got a. Was die erste jeden Tag? A super snack. A snack. Wow, it's so excited. It's so. Man got you the small chocolate coins like money. What was it do to the baking chocolates? Nothing. Wow, this is its shine. Every day, and other kid could go to the grocery, pick something, what to give, but the kids a whole year. Tati, when going to be Chanukah? When going to be Chanukah? Maar kleine kind, when gaan ze Chanukah? When gaat met teilen the chocolate? Sure. Not this prizes, the whole prizes make only fights. When I was to go to my mother, they give prize for the kids. Wow. I beg my mother, please stop this whole Chanukah because they come home so zerfliegt and zerrissen. They brought us, it became a prize. Let me hope. Only fights. I don't know. Because you have to give for the bigger prize, and the smaller you can't give for the small kids what you give for the bigger kids. And they start, I need this, and why I got this. Whole way home, they're fighting. Let me hope. It's not, macht dich freilich. Macht nicht freilich. Ich habe mir gebringt echt eine scheine Cipher von der Babetsche Rebbe. Jetzt haben wir genommen Chivas, die einfach für Briefen, was man schreibt. Fritzig schreiben Briefen. Man fragt wegen Matunas, geben Matunas in Gedurem. Sogt Matunas geben Svurem. Ja, ich habe gesagt, man nur Svurem. Matunas geben Svurem. Sach scheine Sache, einfach kurze scharf. Ein Mailer fragt ihn wegen Cartoons, Books für Kinder. Nicht machen keine Cartoons. So Zunas. Kinder sind mal lachen gehörige Bilder. Aber nur, ich kann es auch nicht nehmen. Cartoons, kann man beten in Gudel, wa af, aruch. Das nicht machen, das ist nicht gut für Kinder, wa afle Gedäule, das ist nicht gut. Scheine Chivas, scheine Kitzer von... Interessant. Zahra sag Sachen, wo sie däumen zum Arash, nasche Banachle. Wegen Schidich, auflassen, Schidich, nicht auflassen, interessant. In die Gadurem, ja, Stam. Matunas. bringt nicht gut nicht. So, it's enough. No, but we can talk hours of hours. So, Shem should help. You should have a nice Chanukah, heilige Chanukah, lechtige Chanukah, happy Chanukah. We should be matzliach with the kids, bring in them Torah Yerushalayim. It's hard, but if you let it go, you don't invest in the kids, then it's not much that hard. Okay, thank you.